I'm about to record I'm doing a how-to video on AVG installation. Alright, I just want to fit everything within the recording space. Alright, there we go. So the first thing you do would be to type in AVG PC Tune up. You can use this one. Let's look for it. AVG Tune up. Free download. So we click on it, and there you go, free download. So what this will do for your system, it will give you an all-round automatic maintenance. It will speed up your Windows. It will uninstall software that you don't need. It will remove junk. It will update the PC automatically. It will optimize your PC in the final analysis. It will create lots of space for you, and your PC would run smoother. So you click the free download because you don't want to pay for it, and AVG is being downloaded right here. So after it is downloaded, you open it up. There, open up, and then you can begin to install. It's asking for permission. Yes. English. Okay. Next, basically install. And there it is, installing the AVG PC Tune up onto your system. It's almost done. Installation is almost done. Then you should receive a welcome screen. This time I'll exit the internet because we are installing the AVG. Let me just move that out of the way. And there you get finish. So the installation is finished, and it's supposed to launch automatically. So it is launching there at this point in time. And it says welcome to Tune Up. Scan now. Okay, we could scan. Right, so what it will be doing, it will be scanning the PC. It will be restoring the broken registry item, broken shortcuts. It will find all the system junk and the cache. To clear out the cache, all the cookies, and all the browsing and download history. Alright. Well, I believe this will actually for a credit card and stuff like that. So what I'll do, I would continue the video after I have downloaded and alright, so it is asking to fix all these things. You can also include Google Chrome, browsing history, Google Chrome and Edge. Okay, so if it's a fix and clean, you hit fix and clean. And there, this is where I would stop and continue the video. Okay, now that I have totally finished updating the subscription and putting in the password and the code that I got from, you know, the other place. I am now going to fully tune up. So this is active. It is fully active. If you go to my AVG, you'll see the tune up is installed in green. Alright. So we are going to tune up the PC. So right now the PC is 0 tuned up, and we're going to fully tune it up. So we'll start with the maintenance. Alright. So you'll have that run, scan all the registry, all the shortcuts, the junk, the cache, or the cache, the cookies, the download history. Right, so it has scanned 100%. Fix and clean. Google Chrome, okay. Browser history, Chrome and Edge. So we're gonna fix and clean those. These browsers will automatically close. Alright, I don't want to close the browsers. Should I close the browsers? Why not? Close the browsers. Right. So it's cleaning. You see? Cleaning, 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 cleaning. These have been cleaned and corrected and fixed. The other program that does basically the registry and cleaning is called CCleaner. That is a comparable version. Automatic maintenance, not now. Alright, so you see, all these things have been cleaned, done. So you see, the PC has been tuned up 46%. Now let us optimize the PC now. Optimization. All these programs. We could put these programs to sleep. Right. Put these programs to sleep. In other words, we don't need them, so they have been optimized. The PC is optimized. Unnecessary program. What are the unnecessary program? Yeah. Express zip file compression. Let's ignore that. We'll ignore that for a while. Alright, so the speed is right up, right up, right up. That's 69%. Let's see if we could free up some more space. What about the junk? Right, we have all these junk that we could free up. Windows setup files. We don't need the Windows setup files. Clean. So it is cleaning. It will further optimize. Alright, so we clean 339.2 megabytes. Alright. Excellent. So see, the PC went from 0 to 75. Now we just have this last one to fix the 3 problems. What are those problems? One program needs updated, one this has never been scanned. Your PC is found. 2 unwanted changes. So let's fix this. Let's show this. That would be scan him. Local disk has never been scanned. Scan him now. Right. The local disk has been scanned. Or is being scanned. I guess that should take some time. So we will speed up this video. Let it take its time, man. Go ahead, take your time. optimize your computer. Oh, it says the scan has found some errors. Let's fix it, man. Oh, it is asking to restart. Restart data. PC restart is needed to fix it. But I need my stuff to save, so I think I want to stop it. Let's go back here. Some program needs updating. Let's update you. Flash. Active. Right, and let's update in the Flash player. So you see, Windows Defender is comparable to this program. It does some of the stuff. Wow, 92%. So you just have to fix this one problem here by restarting the computer, and then this should be tuned up to 100%. Isn't it effective? Before I restart, I must say that there are several other URLs. As soon as you type in AVG PC Tune up, you'll see all the different URLs that you can visit to get this tune-up program. We have seen all the steps to install it. We've seen how to start the program and how to use the program. The advantage of this program is that it really optimizes your computer by cleaning out junk, fixing registry, broken stuff, and then really freeing up some space for you. Disadvantage, well, I don't see it dealing with an antivirus, so I need to install an antivirus program, which Windows Defender does anyhow. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'll give it a 4. Alright, it's a very good program, but I'll give it a 4. Because I think there are other programs that are even much better. So I'll stop the video here and I will restart the computer.